Hello kids! Today we will learn Axe family words from the vowel A. Before we proceed, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest educational videos. Now let's start. First of all, we will write the heading in the middle of the first line like this. A. We will join A tail with S. Axe. This becomes axe. Okay. The first word I'm going to tell you, fur. We will turn the tail like this and a sleeping line and join with X. This becomes fax. This becomes fax. So what is fax? A letter which you can send through telephone lines. अगर हमें कोई लेटर भेजना होता था तो हम फैक्स मशीन से भेजते थे और दूसरी तरफ से फैक्स मशीन से उसका प्रिंट आउट निकल जाता था. Again, write down fur, axe, fax. Yes, fur, axe, fax. So I'm going to make a fax machine here. Yes. This is the page. Okay. Next word is wax. Verb. We will join word tail with axe. This becomes wax. If we add verb with axe sound, this becomes wax. Wax means candle. Candle is made up of wax. Yes. Verb, axe, wax. In Hindi, we call wax as moom. Moom. Verb, axe, wax. So I'm going to make a candle here because candle is made up of wax. Yes. Next word is tax. Tur. We will join tur tail with axe sound. This becomes tax. Okay. Tax means the money that you have to pay to the government. In Hindi, we call it as कर. कर जो हमें गवर्नमेंट को देना होता है in the form of tax. Tur, axe. This become tax. Write it down once again. Tur, axe, tax. Yes. So I'm going to make money here, which shows you have to pay the tax like this. Okay. You can relate with the money. Next word is max. Ma having a tail. We will join ma with axe sound. This becomes max. Max is the short form of maximum. Maximum. हम बोलते हैं ना कोई भी चीज मैक्सिमम है यानी कि अधिकतम है, हाईएस्ट है. So write down once again. Ma, axe. This becomes max. Ma, axe. This becomes max. Okay. अगर मैं एक बिल्डिंग बनाती हूँ, okay, तो this part is called the maximum height of the building. So we call it as max. We call it as max. The last word I'm going to write L having a tail. L, axe, lax. So lax means the things or any parameter which is not up to the standards or not up to the level. Yes? L, axe, lax. हम कहते हैं ना कहीं पर हम जाते हैं कोई सर्विसेज है या कोई प्लेस कोई जगह है जो अप टू द स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होती उसे हम वी कॉल इट एज लैक्स यस किड्स ल एक्स लैक्स
Let's do revision. Everyone see this picture and guess the name? Yes, very nice. Tell me, be fast. Very nice. Okay, now I'm giving you a hint where you can send letters or any document through telephone lines. Be quick. Very nice. This is fax. For axe. This becomes fax. Fax. Now let's have a look for the next picture. This one is very easy. Yes, tell me. Candles are made up of. Be quick, be fast. Yes, very nice, kids. Candles are made up of wax. Yes, very good. Axe. This becomes wax. Axe. Wax. See the next picture? Yes, tell me, बच्चों. Jaldi say, very good. Okay. Okay, now I'm giving you a hint. The money that you have paid to the government. Yes, tell me. Very nice. This is tax. 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 जो कर हम गवर्नमेंट को देते हैं. Very good. See the next picture. What is this? Guess the name of the picture. Yes. Very good. Yes. Give me the quick answers. Very nice. Yes. This is max. Ax. Max. Max means highest. Max means highest. Now see the last picture. Be quick, kids. Very nice. Very good. Okay, I'm giving you a hint again. Anything which is not up to the level. Yes? We call it as lax. Ax, lax. Ax, lax. We have revised words. Now we will do the worksheets as homework. Here we have 2 worksheets. In the first one, you have to read the words and match with the pictures. And in the second worksheet, you have to see the pictures first and write the name of the pictures in front of them.